Get ready to upgrade your everyday carry. In this video, we're showing you 12 next-level EDC gadgets you'll actually use in 2026. From compact multi-tools to smart pocket gear, these gadgets are designed to make your life easier, more efficient, and a lot cooler. Whether you're an EDC enthusiast, a camper, or just love practical gear, you won't want to miss this lineup. Let's dive in and discover the tools that deserve a spot in your pocket. M70 EDC Flashlight 1100 Lumens. When darkness threatens to slow you down, the M70 EDC Flashlight becomes your pocket-sized powerhouse. Delivering 1100 lumens of bright LED light, it cuts through the night with ease, whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency. Its USB-C rechargeable design keeps power simple and efficient, while the compact body with sturdy clip ensures it's always within reach. With 5 versatile modes, this flashlight adapts to any situation, making it the gear you rely on when visibility and safety matter most. Benchmade Mini Griptilian Knife. When everyday carry demands reliability in a compact form, the Benchmade Mini Griptilian 556 delivers. Its drop-point blade offers versatile cutting power, perfect for slicing, carving, or quick utility tasks. INIU Portable Charger. When your devices run low at the worst possible moment, the INIU Portable Charger keeps you powered up and ready. With a 1000 mAh capacity and 22.5 watt fast charging, it delivers quick energy boosts for phones, tablets, and more. VIPERADE VE1 Pocket Organizer EDC Pouch for Men. When your everyday carry starts to feel scattered, the VIPERADE VE1 Pocket Organizer brings order to the chaos. Designed to hold your flashlight, pocket knife, pen, and notebook, it keeps essential gear neatly stored and instantly accessible. The durable construction ensures it withstands daily wear, while the compact pouch design slits easily into a bag or attaches to your belt. Whether commuting, camping, or tackling unexpected tasks, this organizer is the gear you rely on when efficiency and readiness matter most. Eaasty Waterproof Notebook and Pen Set. Imagine heavy rain pouring down as you try to capture critical details in the field. The Eaasty Waterproof Notebook keeps your notes safe from the elements, while the metal weatherproof pen writes smoothly even on damp pages. Its fabric cover adds rugged protection, and the compact 3x5-inch size slips easily into your pocket. This set ensures your thoughts, plans, and survival notes stay intact. Imagine never losing vital information, no matter how harsh the conditions. OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro Rechargeable EDC Flat Flashlight with Green Beam. Imagine carrying a light that adapts to every situation. The OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro is more than just a flashlight. With 1300 lumens of white LED power, it floods the dark with clarity, while the green beam offers precision for signaling or tactical use. Add in the UV source, perfect for detecting hidden details or checking gear integrity, and you've got a triple threat tool in one sleek, flat design. USB rechargeable and pocket ready, it's the light you reach for when emergencies demand versatility and brilliance. Gerber Gear Prybrid Multitool Utility Pocket Knife. When everyday challenges demand more than just a blade, the Gerber Gear Prybrid Utility Pocket Knife steps in. Its retractable razor blade delivers precision for cutting rope, boxes, or quick fixes, while the integrated pry bar handles tougher jobs without compromising the knife itself. Compact and rugged in its gray finish, it slips easily into your pocket, yet offers multi-tool strength when you need it most. Prepared 4X Multitool Carabiner Keychain. When versatility is the difference between being stuck and moving forward, the Prepared 4X Multitool Carabiner Keychain proves its worth. Built from stainless steel, this 10-in-1 tactical tool packs a screwdriver, ruler, bottle opener, wrench, box cutter, wire cutter, and even bicycle tools, all in one compact design. Clipping easily to your keys or gear, it ensures you're never without the essentials. Überleben FIREKIT Survival Fire Starter Kit, all-in-one ferro rod. When fire becomes the difference between survival and struggle, the Überleben FIREKIT Survival Fire Starter Kit is the gear you trust. With its ferro rod and striker, it sparks reliably in any weather, while the tinderwick and bellow make ignition and flame control simple, even in damp or windy conditions. TurnOnSport Orienteering Compass. Imagine being deep in the woods with no signal and no GPS. The TurnOnSport Orienteering Compass keeps you on track. Built for hiking, camping, and backpacking, it offers precise navigation with an advanced scout design that's easy to read and reliable in any terrain. DMI First Aid Kit Mini 20-Piece Kit. When minor injuries strike without warning, the DMI Mini First Aid Kit ensures you're never caught unprepared. Packed with 20 essential pieces for treating cuts, scrapes, and everyday mishaps, it's designed to deliver quick relief on the go. The durable, water-resistant case keeps supplies safe and dry, while its compact size makes it easy to slip into a backpack, glove box, or EDC pouch. Silicone Collapsible Travel Cup. Imagine being on the trail, thirsty after a long hike, and pulling out a cup that unfolds in seconds. The Silicone Collapsible Travel Cup is built for that moment. Compact and lightweight, it folds flat into its card bag, making it easy to carry anywhere. Leak-proof and reusable, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or sports, ensuring you always have a reliable mud without the bulk. Durable yet flexible. This black travel cup is the gear you keep close when hydration meets convenience in the outdoors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For Connected with Us, it will fuel us for more better work.